Alright, here's 888 Lots, video 205. This is Gary D from DIY Dollar Bills. Let's start with the unboxing of box number 2. Alright, so we got here K-Cup Descaling and Cleaning Kit. This is very important. I'm an appliance technician to fix these big, large built-in coffee machines. I don't do it where I currently work, but I used to do it at my old place, and things some people never did it. Machines get ruined. Even if you have small coffee machines, you should always descale, and the water that runs through it is not always clean. This is a Yeti Rambler 20 ounces. The box is open a little bit. Yeti is a major brand name making these tumblers. Oh, this is a nice one. It's beautiful. Don't know. I know I can sell that on eBay. I know I can get a good, pretty penny for that. But like I said, I want to go on Amazon. The only way, if I can sell it on Amazon, the only way I won't is if I see, which is rare, the higher price on eBay, such as that first mug that was there. That sells for a higher price on eBay. That's going there. That means I could probably even do higher on Facebook Marketplace. This is a regular old coffee mug. Ceramic. Old-fashioned. Crafted, probably kind of handcrafted type of regular old coffee mug. Nice clean shape. Alright, what's we got here? We got some stainless steel measuring spoons. Here, let's see, we got, I don't want to open this box if I don't have to. Set of 4 coffee mugs in this box. I may slice it open and just to take a peek inside here. I can put tape back over that. I don't know how many mugs are. One thing about Amazon, you're going to list it as new. You tell them you're listing it as new, better be new. I use keys because I'm clumsy with knives. So I have an old key here that I don't use for anything. It's pretty, gets the job done. Well, they're each individually bubble wrapped. There's 4 of those in there. Get it back in. There we go. Alright. 4 of those coffee mugs here. Let's see. Okay, so like I said, I'm an appliance technician by trade. This is a refrigeration tool to straighten the fins out on, usually when I pull back, and even yesterday, today's Saturday, the 27th, by the way. Yesterday, at work, I installed a heater around a evaporator in the back refrigerator, and some of the fins are aluminum. They bend easy, and they bend. This you can run across the fins and just straighten them back out. So if this is something that is I don't know how much it's going to go for, but if it's real cheap, it's something I may keep. A whisk. I saw a couple of them in the box already. We opened that bag. The reason we opened that bag is because we have microfiber cleaning cloths. A whole set, nice, colorful set of them in here. How many are in here? 20 of them. There's 20 of them. Alright. Do not open this bag. I'll put it in. I got plenty of bags. I'll put it in another one. Oh, silicone molds. A little ice. This one's shaped like animals. Black and white. Pink one. Shaped like animals. For the kids. Oxy cleaner. This is a Keurig cleaner. I'm sure everything's in there. Yeah. For your Keurig coffee machine. Got 2 of these, and I believe there's more of these in another box. Like I said, I love getting multiple items. It just makes listing easier. This is replacement filters for Home Labs air purifier. Replacement filters for that. There's a third one. They are sealed, brand new. Better be. This is a muffin holder, made of plastic, not glass. You hold a muffin tray good for parties and stuff. Got a lot of party stuff in here. What's this? A collapsible silicone kettle. I'm not opening this up. You can see by the picture there. Alright. What's this here? This is garlic twister. Garlic, olives, nuts, and more. Next trend garlic twister. Interesting. Alright. If you're a cook and you know what that is. Okay, now this one here, this is a Scallop Stem Cup. Gotta look up what you actually put in there. I got two of these. One of them, the bag was open, and one of the pieces were broken in there. So I gotta see what that other one would be worth. But this one is all good. It happens, they put it in the bottom of the shipping box. So they're not perfect. I'm not gonna complain to them about it. Alright. Unless I find out that that's like $200. Worth $200, then I may say something. I doubt it though. I think probably like $15. Reusable shopping bags. I wonder how big they open. You can take these to some kind of bin store and just fill them up. Alright. Plastic cups. Cold drink cups, large ones. 20 ounce, 50 of them. Here. Items. We got some more drink cups. These are small, 107 ounce cups. Alright. Let's see here. This is Epic Water. This is another replacement water filter. This is a water filter. Alright. Next, we have another, second one of these. See, I'm cleaner. Two of those. And lastly, in this box, we have to-go wine cup. This is for some of you. You know who you are, you alcoholics. That's for you. So this is the end of video number 2 of the 888 Lots to Amazon box. And that's it. I'm going to end this video with a piece in hair grease. And I'll be back with you with video number 3. Click.